Mountain free unlimited internet trick on HeaderTun VPN 2019. We're back with another trick on one of the Tun family of apps called HeaderTun VPN. The last free internet trick that we posted was on AnyTun for users on the Zain network in Sudan. This trick is also similar to the Zain Sudan trick. However, it doesn't make use of anonymous VPN but HeaderTun VPN. Shortly after we posted the Zain trick, we experimented with Mountain Sudan using the methods as shown in our tutorials, and we then found it to also work too. Follow the below procedures and get your connection running. Remember to drop your comment below if you come across anything that you think will bolster the trick. Requirements: 1. Your Mountain Sudan SIM card with 0 data and call credit. 2. An Android device, iOS or PC. 3. Your HeaderTun or any tunneling app of your choice. 4. The configuration settings. Procedures: 1. Download HeaderTun app or download any tunneling app of your choice. 2. Install the app and then open it. 3. Click on Stealth Settings and then turn it on. 4. Now configure this way. Connection Protocol, TCP. Connection port, 8080. Connect via parent proxy, don't enable. Custom TCP/HTTP headers, enable. Host, https://apps.mountain.com. Request method, GET. Injection method normal. Reverse proxy, tick. Generate and then save. Now click Save in the Stealth Settings. 5. Click on Connect and then wait for your connection to go through. When it does, open your browser and enjoy free unlimited internet access. Note: this post is for educational purpose only. You are responsible for your action and usage of it. OVA TV only drops such to alert ISPs of their vulnerabilities.